See where full frame is. All right. It's too beautiful a night to be sitting in the shed right now, so we're out here by the chicken house. You might be able to hear them in the background. Whatever. Uh, but I kind of had this little thought. I'll throw this out here, throw a little video, see what everybody thinks. So, give me your thoughts in the comments section. If you like it, hit the like button. But I'll tell you why I don't carry a serrated knife or a knife that has serrations, like half serrated. And this is just a cheap. I think if you've watched the channel before, you've seen it. I've said something about it. It got left at my house. The tips broke off of it. It's a cheap knife, but it's the only one I have with a serrated edge on it anywhere. I think one of the Leathermans have something on it, but that's besides the point. Anyway, I don't carry a serrated knife because I don't see the use in it. Not one bit. And what's more useful to me? A knife that has 2 inches of cutting space and something that I can kind of halfway saw on something. I mean, if I need a saw, I'll just get a silky saw and cut it that way, or something with a full cutting edge. I'm going to go with a full cutting edge. I have more use for it. There's just more use for it. I've never needed to sit here and try to saw on something. I mean, they just, and they're a pain in the butt. To me, they're a pain in the butt to sharpen. I don't particularly like farting with them. I mean, they're just, not to mention snag on stuff. I just, when you're cutting something and then you snag on it, it's just not clean. I don't carry them for that purpose. They're not useful to me. But anyway, that's kind of all I got here for you folks. So let me know what you think on serrated blades. Do you carry them? Do you not carry them? Me, I'm out on it. They're junk. You don't need it. Anyway, thanks folks.